A tsunami warning has been issued for the Virgin Islands. Persons in low-lying areas are asked to move to higher ground immediately. Please continue to monitor the station for further information.
He crashed into the other boat. He opened the jib in the mooring field. Look at him go!
Oh my god.
Uh-oh. Damn. Put it in reverse!
After our visit to the baths, the beautiful place we showed you in the previous episode, we continued our exploration of the BVI. We sailed northeast and spent a few days in different anchorages. This was Long Bay in Virgin Gorda. It's a beautiful snorkeling place. It's amazing how calm the water was here. We anchored in between two reefs in the shallow water. That's definitely one of the things we love most about sailing on a catamaran, being able to anchor close to the beach or in shallow areas like this one. The next day we sailed to Saba Rock in the north of Virgin Gorda. There are lots of reefs on the way there, one very large one in particular near Mosquito Island. We could clearly see the waves breaking and it's all well charted, but it's still best to keep your eyes wide open when sailing in this area, especially on windy days like this one. You need a reservation for the mooring buoys at Saba Rock, which we didn't know, but no problem, we were allowed to throw our anchor out behind the moorings. And we actually prefer being anchored over tying up to a mooring anyway. Even though the holding was good and the anchorage was comfortable, we didn't stay for long because it was very windy. We sailed back to Tortola, the main island of the BVI, to go and fill up our fuel tanks before heading further north. We had a great sailing day. As I already mentioned before, it's fun to sail in between the islands here. The wind is mostly steady and the water isn't too choppy. While we were at the fuel dock, we first heard an alarm going off in the marina, and then we heard this on the radio.
A tsunami warning has been issued for the Virgin Islands. Persons in low-lying areas are asked to move to higher ground immediately. Please continue to monitor the station for further information. I repeat, this is an exercise.
That was scary, right?
I thought this was real. I was very scared.
We tanked 78 gallons here in BVI to get to Miami. And we'll have the wind always on our side. I hope.
Our next and final stop in the BVI was White Bay at Jost van Dijk. Right in front of the beautiful white beach there is a busy Anchorage tucked in behind the reef. It was a bit tricky to get in because there was a lot of traffic going in and out between the reefs, and there was a navigation buoy missing at the east entrance.
He crashed into the other boat. He opened the jib in the mooring field. Look at him go!
Oh my god.
Uh-oh. Damn. Put it in reverse!
What is he doing?
He was sailing. And I just wanted to say, look here with the jib open. He's going to sail with the jib open and then boom! I heard boom.
Yeah, I heard a bang.
Sven and Sky went to see if they could offer some help. It was quite a crash. It took some effort to get the two boats untangled. Luckily, there didn't seem to be any major damage below the waterline. Later we realized it could have been us they crashed into. When we arrived, this was the only available mooring buoy. We first headed over there, but eventually decided to anchor on the other side. Turned out to be a very good decision.
So the dinghy is too heavy to take it on the shore every time. It's just too heavy, 150 kilograms. So I made an anchor and a pulley system. I pull the dinghy up and from the shore with the pulley system. It's very effective and it works. I will explain to you on a paper how to do it.
So you got the beach and you got the sea. So I'm drawing it like that. So when I come in with the dinghy, so this is the beach in the bottom. So when I come in with the dinghy from the top, I'll throw out my anchor, and this anchor has a line attached to it, and then I have pulley, and I have here I'm going to draw the dinghy. The dinghy has a fixed point where I attach a line, and this line goes through the pulley of the anchor on the water to the beach and back to the dinghy attached. So with this setup we can just pull that rope that goes to the anchor, and then we pull the dinghy away from shore, and when we pull the other rope we'll pull the dinghy to shore. So this is one method I use to get my dinghy back and from the shore without swimming all the time. So yeah, that's it.
We had fun in the BVI, but it was time for us to go. We had to be in the Bahamas for a visa appointment in a few weeks, so we had to take advantage of the next weather window to continue our journey. We went back to the west end of Tortola to check out in Soper's Hole. It was a bit deep to anchor there, so we stayed on a mooring ball for one night and prepared everything for our trip to Turks and Caicos the next day.
What I'm doing? Sweating, that's what I'm doing. Engine service. So this is engine service from Captain Sven. It saves you a lot. It really does.
What are you doing?
I am waiting and checking for the oil. I'm waiting for the oil to fill the bottle.
$403 nautical miles to go. It's a good day. The wind is 60 knots. We'll try to go downwind.
Good morning! Well, here it's morning at least. We woke up early, we prepared everything, and we're as good as ready to leave the BVI. We're going more north, we're going to Turks and Caicos. It will be about 4 days and 4 nights sailing. So, kind of a big trip again. But we're looking forward to it, so let's go! Turn on your notifications if you want to sail along with us next week. If you like our videos, make sure to hit the like button or even the super thank you button under this video. Or you can buy us a virtual drink through the link in the description. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like our video and leave a comment.